Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan Vinard. I'm the Precision Machining Program Director here at Vincennes University. And the reason I'm reaching out to you, obviously, I'm posting this video and sending it out via email and putting it on our social media because we have a skills gap in this country and in this state, the state of Indiana, not just here, but also all across the United States. Manufacturing is a huge part of our economy. Everything that's happening with defense, with space, with medical, automotive, I don't care what it is, manufacturing touches everything you use in everyday life. And we have a huge void of the need where there's a need for skilled machinists out in the industry. So I'm sending this out right now because we have some seats that are unfilled. If you are sitting on the fence and you're like, man, I think I want to do that, but I don't really know how to go about it, we're here to help you. Myself and the other 5 instructors that teach in our area, we are here to help you, and our goal is to get you here, get you upskilled to the level you want to be at, to go out and have a successful and a fruitful career, to one day come back and visit us and say, man, you won't believe what I've been doing. I'm working on this project, or I'm doing that. And that's kind of what we're here for. I think most know my story, maybe not. So if you don't, I'll just tell you. I'm a program director, a professor here at Vincennes University. I'm also a 2-time college dropout. I was a good student in math. I wasn't a great student in English, but I managed. I got through. But the first 2 times I attempted college were for different avenues, different degree pathways. So I had to find what stuck and what I was passionate about. And the way it worked for me was in my mid-20s, I was working at a shop and doing stuff that I love, which is racing and the motorsports industry, building racing engines. The guy I was working for, his son got his first CNC machine. I got to operate that CNC and figured out that I wanted to learn how to do that, and that's what got me here. So fast forward 20 years, I've got a very rewarding career, not only as a professor here at Vincennes University, but also in industry. I do a lot of CNC programming and consulting, and then I also have a job as a design and manufacturing manager for a company that makes conveyance systems for the aggregate coal. And if you got to move the earth in any way, we're here at Belt Tech Industrial to serve that. So, that's the other thing that I get to do, and I'm passionate about that. So, I was a Lego kid, and now I get to play with like really big Lego sets and cut stuff out of metal and plastics and all kinds of different materials, 3D print stuff, and do it all. So, if you're getting this and this is at all interesting to you, email me back. Let us know. Myself and the other 5 instructors here, we're here to help you, to guide you along the way. How do I get to there? How do I go from where I am today to your program, to the industry where I'm making an income that provides me the level of comfort and a life that just lets you just enjoy it. You're not burdened by bills and all the other things. And that's one thing I can say about this. I made the decision 20 years ago or so to come back to school and to make this my career, and I haven't regretted it once. And the thing about it is right now, the return on investment's really good. What the investment in your education compared to what you can make when you graduate are very lopsided right now. That it's a very small investment to go out and have a very rewarding career and grow in that career. So whether you think you want to do a 2-year program, learn all about precision machining and tooling and things like that, and then carry that on into advanced CNC and learn about multi-axis CNC and 3D machining and high-end fixturing and automation, and go on to get a bachelor's degree to become, maybe you're looking at, down the road, I want to be the manager. I want to be the one running the shop, not the one working out in the shop. We can provide you all those avenues here at Vincennes University. So all that said, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to kind of give you the caveats of how this works. And if you watch my video and I'm talking too fast, because my students accuse me of that all the time, and I can tell even when I'm doing it, the nerves get built up and I get to going. And it's because I'm excited and I'm passionate about what we do. So we're going to take a look at our website right now. So basically, I'm on vinu.edu here. That's the Vincennes University website right here in Southern Indiana. We are a residential college. We have dorms. So if you're from another part of Indiana or a neighboring state or anywhere in the United States and you want to learn how to be a CNC machinist in what I consider the best environment possible, and I might be a little lopsided on that, but I do think we are definitely one of the top in the country. we would love to have you here, and we would love to hear from you and see if we can make that happen for you. We have students from as far as California coming to Vincennes University right now to get their degrees. So, and we're very blessed and thankful for that. So, first you would go to vinu.edu if you haven't done that yet, and then we've got the academics tab, or the admissions tab. Sorry, I'm going off cuff here. When we go to the admissions tab, we have several things that are here. One of the first things you would want to do is, as you're trying to learn about a program or you want to apply to a program, is go to the apply now, and that'll open up another tab for us. And that's where you can create your account. You can reach out to us. We can get your application in, learn about you. It'll pretty much guide you all the way through. Once you fill it out, they're going to send you some emails and kind of share with you what needs to happen next. Our goal is ultimately, especially for those of you that may be watching the video, if you've made it this far and you've already done your application, our goal is to get you to a Trailblazer kickoff event. So we'll go ahead and close that back down, but our goal is to get you to one of these, which is when you sign up for a Trailblazer kickoff event, that's where we bring you on campus. We sign you up for classes. We talk about the tools and things you need to go to class here at Vincennes University. We help get you set up with housing and all the other stuff. If you need to, we take the AccuPlacer, and that's our goal. So that's what we want. We've got a few more of those coming up here in the next month, and anytime if one of those dates doesn't work for you, don't think that means we don't want you. All you gotta do is send me an email. We'll get you signed up for class. We will accommodate. Myself, and like I said, we got 5 other instructors. We want to make sure the opportunity is there for all students to come here to Vincennes University, get a quality education in precision machining or any of the other degree pathways. I don't want to take away from them, but we are primarily precision machining, and make sure that you graduate from here with a successful career waiting for you as soon as you exit. Once we get you through that, I shared about the AccuPlacer. This is another tab that's here, AccuPlacer testing. This is a placement test to kind of see where you fall when it comes to general education when you're seeking that degree. I do tell people that, hey, when you're going to do the AccuPlacer, definitely come check out the test options. If you haven't been in school for a while or you think you might need to freshen up on some things, the practice AccuPlacer test is very valuable. I've seen students greatly improve their AccuPlacer score just by going on and doing that. So other than that, pretty much if you have questions, concerns, or you want some more information, please reach out to me. Feel free. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to talk shop. I'd love to share why do you like machining? What got you interested? Are you like me? Are you a gearhead? Were you a Lego kid? Was Grandpa doing it? Grandma doing it? Whoever it may be, what drove you to want to make stuff, build stuff? I tried to marry those two words together there. But I guess this, just so you know, this is not AI. I keep making mistakes. That proves that this isn't fake. This is me. So, and I say that tongue in cheek. AI is part of this this program. There is a lot of artificial intelligence that does or is coming into our industry. We're teaching that. So that's also something, if you're interested in AI and you want to learn how to use the tools that are out there right now and the ones that are still being developed, we are bringing those, onboarding those, just as quick as they come on and they've been vetted out and they look strong and as a tool that's going to promote efficiency and productivity, but also do things the correct way to make quality parts and stuff that's going to be out there protecting our country, saving lives, or running up and down the racetrack down the road. That's what we're here for. So all of that, I've had you for if I got you for 10 minutes, that's awesome. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.